the third digital storytelling contest with the theme STEM in Storyland, where learning meets wonder. Presented by the Simeo Rexam, submitted by JBP Orejola, secondary math teacher at Valenzuela City School of Mathematics and Science, with registration number C060 under the category C, with the title Quest for the Infinite Algorithm, the Transformative Power of STEM in a Gamified Future. The digital horizon glows as a new VR realm loads, the Fractal Nexus. Inside a sleek laboratory classroom, Sandra Rock Fernandez, a visionary math teacher, welcomes his students, Emma, Arturo, and Oka, to witness the latest project, a gamified VR world that brings math to life. Sandra, a hidden dungeon with no guides, no walkthroughs, and no safety nets. Now, this is my kind of adventure. Emma, nervous. You say adventure, sir. I say mathematical nightmare. Just look at that place. Sir, the walls are literally multiplying. Arturo, analyzing with his visor. The patterns, Fibonacci sequences, golden ratios. This isn't just a game. It's a living equation. Oka, crossing his arms. Then we better start solving before this equation solves us. The gateway pulses and opens, revealing the Fractal Nexus, where Euler 9 awaits. Meeting Euler 9, the AI guide. A grand digital temple, a holographic AI figure. Euler 9 materializes, his form shifting between geometric structures. Floating equations illuminate the chamber. Sandrak enters the Fractal Nexus, an ever-shifting world of spirals, fractals, and golden ratios. Terrain patterns change with the Fibonacci logic. Everything in the world obeys geometric sequences. Euler 9, voice deep, robotic yet wise. Welcome, explorers. You stand before the Fractal Nexus, where the laws of geometric sequence govern reality. To claim the infinite algorithm, you must prove your understanding of exponential patterns. Sandra, arms crossed. Alright, AI guy, what's the first test? Euler 9, smirking, eyes flashing with data. Your first lesson, decay is inevitable. The question is, can you outrun it? Real-world applications of geometric sequences. Quick animations showing real-world applications of geometric sequences such as compound interest, population growth, and radioactive decay. The Bridge of Decay, a narrow bridge over an endless void. The tiles vanish in a half-life pattern, 100%, 50%, 25%, 12.5%, so on. The countdown begins. The walls shift, revealing a glowing bridge that begins disappearing tile by tile. Emma, panicking. Oh no, the bridge is literally dying. Arturo, calculating on his visor. It follows the principle of radioactive decay. The tiles won't disappear all at once. They're reducing at a fixed ratio. Sandra, grinning, crackling his knuckles. So we time our moves between the decay cycles. We run now. The team dashes narrowly, reaching the other side of the last tile, vanishes into the abyss. Tower of Compound Growth. A spiraling tower of endless pathways, forming and vanishing based on compound interest formulas. Euler 9, floating nearby. The next challenge, growth is limitless, but only if you invest wisely. Oka, tilting his head. Invest? This sounds like finance talk. Arturo, nodding. Exactly. The paths form using the formula for compound growth, like in banking. Sandra, mocking. Great. A math lesson inside the death trap. Love it. Arturo inputting the formula into his visor. If A is equal to P multiplied by quantity A plus R, quantity raised to N, then our correct path will always be the one with the highest exponent. The paths shift. Sandrock runs, dodging collapsing routes. He reaches the top just as the tower resets. Final challenge, Euler 9, Guardian of the Algorithm. A glowing chamber of swirling mathematical energy. The walls pulse with fractals, golden spirals, and binary code. In the center, Euler 9 transforms, no longer just a stage, but a radiant, towering figure composed of shifting geometric forms. Emma, nervous. I thought he was here to help us. Papa, tense. Why does he look like a final boss now? Euler 9, voice resonating across dimensions. Knowledge must not be handed freely, it must be earned. I am the final trial, not your enemy, but your mirror. Show me you understand the balance of growth and restraint, of logic and creativity, of pattern and unpredictability. Arturo, determined. This isn't a fight, it's a challenge of the mind. Sandra, to the group. Is testing our grasp of exponential growth, how it can build or destroy depending on how we wield it. The challenge unfolds not as a typical battle, but a sequence of interactive puzzles, patterns, equations, time calculations. Euler 9 adapts with each response, pushing their minds to the limit. Euler 9 as they solve the final sequence. You have proven worthy. The algorithm is yours. Not a weapon, but a lens to see the world anew. It splits into light, becoming a doorway to the core of the Nexus. The core of the Nexus, unlocking the infinite algorithm. A glowing chamber of swirling mathematical energy, a final floating equation awaits. Euler 9. If knowledge grows at a geometric rate, should we fear its boundless power, or embrace its infinite potential? Sandra, pausing, thinking deeply. Geometric growth. It's everywhere. In AI, in finance, in nature, even in how we learn. It's not something to fear. It is something to master. He inputs the final sequence, unlocking the infinite algorithm. Conclusion. The future of STEM education. Sandra logs out, staring at his futuristic VR headset. He envisions the world transforming, cities evolving, data expanding, AI learning in real time. Back in the classroom, the students fear. Emma, nervous. Sir, it felt like we were inside the game. Sandra smiles. Sandra, narrating. Quest for the infinite algorithm was just a game. But STEM, that is real. The future isn't written, it's calculated. And if we play it right, we can make it limitless. Quest for the infinite algorithm. The greatest game is the pursuit of knowledge. STEM is the key to unlocking the future. And with that, thank you for watching.